All right, good morning everyone. Today we're going to be making homemade chicken soup from leftover roasted chicken that we made last night. So let's get started. So we're going to need 2 carrots peeled. We're going to need 2 celery stalks. And we're going to need 1 yellow onion, some black peppercorn, and some herbs that we'll add at the end. And of course the chicken, which is still in the fridge, so I'll get it out in a minute. So right now I'm just peeling these carrots. For soup, it's good to find, you can use some old produce in your fridge. So I kind of chose some sad looking carrots, but they're going to be just fine in the soup. And I'm helping Sol here, 1 second. Have it, so cut it in half. Celery stalks. 1, 2. I'm gonna cut off the parts that are kind of big at the bottom and a little bit at the top, not too much. All right, let's go ahead and give these a nice rinse.
Mom, is there a way to merge 2 videos?
Yeah, by editing.
Because I accidentally stopped it and I immediately hit record again, so I think I'll have to merge them.
Okay. You can figure it out later. Is it on now? Or
Yeah,
not
it's
yet?
on.
All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take our pot. Lena, can you help her, please? Here, Lena can help you. Lena's gonna help you. And I'm gonna put, so the 2 celery, oh, the seeds are too big, so I'm gonna chop them in half so they fit nicely. Carrots, onion, and then some black peppercorns. That's really critical for good chicken soup.
Yep. The chicken bones.
Yeah, and now I'm gonna get the chicken. So yesterday we made roast chicken, but we don't want to throw. Thank you. And also we have some. It stopped. Okay.
No, I'm recording. Yeah. I thought you were doing a video, not recording.
So let's see what we have here. So this is just a bone. These bones have a lot of flavor in them. We don't want to give up on them.
The real chicken bones. You have to kill a chicken to eat the chicken. Don't move it. Don't press any buttons.
All right. So what I'm gonna do is
No, Bella. I guess I'm scared. Oh, the helmet's right here.
just kind of whatever meat is falling off the bone, I'm gonna take off because this chicken is already cooked. Remember?
Yeah. And you don't have any left, right? And then. Mom, did you say that we don't have any? And the bones will be, and the bones will have no bacteria if anybody is sick, because it'll be in boiling hot water and it'll kill all the germs. Hey, Mom, question: why is the chicken red? Because she adds pepper and salt to it before she puts it in the oven. Wow. Are you gonna post this on YouTube? Maybe. You can. We don't know yet. Yeah. If it's not perfect, we'll merge it.
So
Mom, can I go? Yeah, sorry.
what other package?
Mom, Lena says that you bought 2 packages of chicken.
No.
Oh.
All right, and now Tor, show them how the pot looks inside.
Okay. Just to have much time. Away. Sorry. Oh.
All right, and now we're gonna cover it with about, see, so Lena, a couple more, maybe 3 more, like that.
So it has to be at the right above the chicken.
Yeah.
Okay. And it'll slowly and stuff expand in heat, right? Is this enough? Yeah, it'll expand in heat.
Yeah, perfect.
I did it at 500. That's 900 milliliters.
Okay.
You need
A couple more of these. I'm gonna add the salt. This is about a half teaspoon of salt.
Ooh, a teaspoon. That needs very little salt. But
It's okay, I'll do it.
really, chicken soup is really salty. I just poured a little bit away because it was still filled up. That it almost spilled. So I had to take a little bit away.
Now the water that I'm putting in is cold water.
Because you don't want to overcook the chicken.
Yeah,
in
like
warm
you
water.
said earlier, you just said that it's cold water.
It
Okay.
needs to boil together.
In the question, in the telling
Alright,
sentence,
so this looks good. And then now I'm going to boil it. And then once it boils, I'm going to simmer it actually.
oh, you took out the wrong one.
Reason.
It tastes better when you kind of want all your herbs to be like a fresh green, like a bright green. So I'm just going to take out the yellowing ones. Leaving the bright green ones. Give them a little rinse.
And the very dark ones. Like that.
Yeah.
So the very dark and the very light. In the middle, it keeps them in. That'll be best.
Yeah, the very dark ones can be bad, although these ones aren't. Anyway, at the end, we're going to strain all of it. So meaning
Just gonna.
we're going to keep the carrots and chop them up, and of course, like whatever of the chicken, but all the herbs,
Are gonna come out.
they're all, and the onion and all that is going to come out. Dill is amazing. If you're making a Jewish style chicken soup, dill is really critical for that.
Oh, got it.
Smell it. Tell me what it smells like.
Fennel.
Fennel, that's right. It smells a little like fennel.
I think they're related.
Yeah, if you see the fennel
They look.
stalk,
They look
it
very
looks
similar.
like it. That's right.
I think I actually sometimes. I'm allowed to eat stuff from Pascal's front yard because he has fennel and sour grass. So sometimes I'll pick up fennel. I'm not sure. I actually might be eating dill also.
All right, so you see I have this whole bunch of,
Wow.
I'm going to give them a little rinse. Throw them in there.
Well, a lot of yellow ones already.
Yeah. Yeah, this was a little old. It's okay. You know, the soups are perfect for old produce in your fridge that is not bad yet, but is kind of nearing its end of life. All right. And okay, well, we'll be back in
About
2 hours. So stay tuned.
are we gonna submerge it after?
2, 1.
All right, hi everyone, we're back. The last phase of the soup is to make the noodles to add to it. So this is the noodles I have left in the box, but I think that's too little for us because this family is a noodle monster eating family. So I'm gonna open a new box of egg noodles, and I'm gonna put it. I'm heating some water up.
ראית את האימא
No.
ישראלית? בצ'אט של פיינבויד, מישהו לוידאו של וידאו ויראלי של איזה אימא ישראלית מחרפנת על המורים.
Guys.
כך מצחיק.
Daddy, we're doing cooking, so don't interrupt.
Yeah, we're in the middle
Oh,
of
okay.
filming.
You can edit it later. Do you want to do it again so we can edit it later?
Okay, and the egg noodles are heating up, and in the meantime, we're gonna start plating the soup and chop up some veggies. We'll see you soon. All right, and now I'm plating. I filtered the soup, and I'm pouring it into each plate with the noodles, and trying to be as equal as possible, making sure everyone gets their fair share of this liquid gold. Guys, lunch.